welcome to the Willow Pink channel. I'll be showing you how to upcycle a pair of pants to make a shirt just like this. And all you need is an old pair of pants that you don't wear and some zigzag scissors, whatever kind of scissors you want. Make sure you get a grown-up to help you with your scissors. And all you need to do is cut a hole from here to here so your head can fit through it to make a crop top just like this. My mum's going to help me. So we're going to start by folding the legs in half, and as you can see I'm going to be doing it by myself, and what you're going to do is you can cut it about the length as you want it. I'm going to let it go to here.
Excellent.
And now to try it on. This is my reveal. I added some earrings with it. As you can see, when I tried to make it, I had these hanging beautiful rainbow unicorn earrings in. I've had them because this morning I went to one of my little friend's birthday, and she's turning 4 and she's younger than me. So she's going to be going to preschool next year, and I'm already in kindy, and this is the look of it. But I decided, because it's very hot in here in Australia, I am going to cut this a little more short. So guys, I just cut it short, and when it's like over your shoulders, it feels a little funny. So what I decided to do is pull it down a little bit so it's like not covering my shoulders like this, because it's really hot in Australia, and I want to get my shoulders nice and cool. So that's my reveal, and my mum is going to hold the camera, and I'm going to stand up, and you're going to see my reveal, and I'm going to get some new clothes and like leggings. Here it is. Old pants that you don't use, you don't have to chuck them out. You can make them into a shirt to put in your wardrobe. And don't forget to subscribe, comment down below if what you had on your pants and what kind of pants you had. See you next time. Make sure to subscribe.